Good morning, everyone. Thanks for tuning with everyone again. This is Naresh Sharma. So today we will back in Tableau. So today we have learned how to apply reset button in the dashboard for set of filters. So today we learn that how we can reset all the filters in by one click. So as we can see, we have a dashboard here with sales performance dashboard with we have all six charts here in the dashboard, as we can see here. And we have four set of filter here, one for category, subcategory, reason, and year of order dates. So as we can see here, we can just select on deselect the furniture and then apply. So we can see like technology only, we can just see only office supplies. So we can see the data for the office supply here, and we just want to see only the arts and envelopes. Then click apply, then only see the data for arts and envelopes. Same goes for the years. When we want to see only 2016 and 17 data, apply. So as we can see here, we have data only selected filters, and we want to reset the filters by one click. So in this situation, we need to just deselect all the filters by one by one. So we want to set one button here, so that we can just click on that button and all the filters will be reset in one click. All right, so for this we should create first one new sheet here. So we can go for our data, uh, because we have a two data source and we are working on the sample superstore data, so we should have on our data source. Then just create one calculated field here. We can just give the name here, reset, and we just create uh, reset filter. Just write the script reset filter in the filter and then click OK. Oh, oh yes, so we have actually a name here for reset as well. Second we have a two already had the name for reset field in the fields, that's why it is not created, that is showing duplicate. So we have just changed the name. So we have created the calculated field reset, and just write the script reset filters in the single quotes. And once we have created, then this we just click on OK button, and it is created in our dimensions here. And just drag the dimension in on the raw shelf, so we can see these filters here. And we can just click on the circle here, so that we can we don't want to see like ABC, and just change the color in white, so the circle will go here, remove from here. Now what we can do, we just go in the our dashboard, and we can see like the sheet 11, which is for the reset button, or we can just change the name for the sheet name. We can just change, rename, like we can give name reset. All right, so just move on again the dashboard, and we have like reset sheet. We just drag it in, sorry, so we just drag it in the our yeah, just here, right? So, and we just hide the title from here, and we can hide hide field level also. So we have the reset button here. All right, so now we need to apply the action on these so that it will work for all the filters here. So now go to the action, click on add action, filter, and then just select the target one. So we have our target sheet is sorry, source sheet. So we have a source sheet is as a name with reset. So just select on the reset fields from here, and all the sheets are the target sheets, so just remove the reset from the here. All right, and then click on the select so that we can, when we select, then it will be uh, impacted, and show all values, and then go to the selected fields from here, because we want to select all the filters, set of filters, and then add filter, and then select, we have category filter. Okay, then we have uh, subcategory filter, so we can just select subcategory from here. Okay, then we have reason. Okay, and then we have year of order date. So we have just click on here, then just select years from here, and then click OK, and then click OK from here, and then click OK. So we have created one action here. So when we click on, as we can see here, categories office supply, and the year is 16 and 17. So when we click, just click on the reset filter, then what we can see, all the filters are selected now again. So in the category, all the selections here, all three categories, all subcategories selected here, and all years selected here. So I'm just taking one example again, show you. So as we can just select from deselect the furniture and the office supply, apply, and from the region we just select on south and west. So we can see the data only for south and west, and year we just select only 2015. Now we want, so now we can see only 2015, and the two regions here, and the two categories only. So now just we click on the reset filter so that we can see all the filters are again, all the categories, all the subcategories, all the regions, all the years will be show here. Just click on the reset filter, then we can see all the data will show again. So all the data is showing again on the dashboard. So this is the things that how we can create the reset filter. So thanks everyone, like and subscribe this video, so that please subscribe my channel, so that I can give you more dashboards. I will show you all more categories, more things in the Tableau. Thanks everyone, thank you so much.